How to use PayPal on Shein. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can use PayPal for payment on Shein application. So first thing first, just head over to any of your browser and just head over to the Shein.com website, which is the official website of Shein. So once inside here, why I'm taking you to website is because on the application version of Shein, the direct payment methods for PayPal is not available. So just head over to the website of the Shein application and just choose between any of the products that you'd like to want, that you like to buy. So as you can see, I've already added my product over here. So I'll simply head over to the checkout option over here. Once inside here, you should see something like this after you scroll down under the payment option or payment method. So you can just choose the PayPal, and even if you don't have a PayPal account, you can also pay via PayPal with your credit card or banked debit card. So just tap on the continue and simply fill out your details and you should be successfully using PayPal on Shein application. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.